Now there's one more option here in terms of exporting that we haven't yet covered, and that's exporting to Blurb. Blurb is a company that specializes in printing custom photo books, and you can visit their website at blurb.com. And if you click on photo books, you'll see the different options that they offer. For example, image wrap, dust jacket, soft cover, and you can see the corresponding prices as well. The dust jacket has inner flaps on the inside of the front and back cover. The image wrap wraps your cover image over to the back side of the front cover. And you can see these illustrations that kind of give you an example of what this looks like. They also have several different options you can configure for your book. So for example, you can choose the size, whether you want small, square, standard, standard, landscape, and so on. You can also choose the paper, the premium luster, the premium matte. And you can also see the pricing is more expensive for certain types of paper. And you also have end sheets and the Blurb logo. We'll talk about the Blurb logo in just a second. So back in Lightroom, we can send an order to Blurb to print our photo book and have them mail it to us. We can configure all the settings for the book right here in the book settings panel. So on the website, you saw the size, the cover, and all that we went over. All that you can select from here. So for example, size, small, square, standard, portrait, large, landscape, all the options we saw on the website as well. The cover, we have the three options: soft cover, hard cover with dust jacket, hard cover with image wrap. And if I were to click on hardcover dust jacket, you'll notice that now I'm required to put in images for our back cover and front cover. So remember to fill that in if you're going to be sending this off to Blurb. This is the dust jacket here. So if you wanted to insert images into each one of these placeholders, you know how to do that. You simply drag the image you want inside the placeholder. And so that's what the back and front cover would end up looking like. If you change the cover type, the format of the back and front cover change as well. You can select the paper type, and these are all the options we saw on the website. Now scrolling through our images, you'll notice that a few of them have an exclamation mark. This is Lightroom warning us that the image may not print well at its current size because its resolution is too low. Now we can fix this by either selecting a higher resolution image or scaling this image up and down until that exclamation mark disappears. So you can see if I make it a little bit smaller, the exclamation mark goes away, and Lightroom thinks it'll get a good quality print at this particular size. And one other thing to mention here is the logo page. If you turn the logo page on, you get a discounted price because Blurb includes their logo on the last page of your book. So it'll look something like this. And keep in mind that if you don't want that logo page there, you're going to pay about $10 more. So you can see the price jumps there. Once you finalize your book settings, you can click the Send Book to Blurb button over here. And from there, you'll need to enter your Blurb account details. So if you haven't made an account, you'll need to make one with their website. And then you can just follow the prompts. For example, enter your book title, subtitle, and author. And you'll have an opportunity to upload your book, finalize your order, and basically you'll receive your book in the mail within 1 or 2 weeks. I'm going to hit cancel here. Now say for example we wanted to change all the images in our book. We wanted to change them to one of our collections. The great thing about the book module is all you have to do is click on the collection and right away Lightroom generates a book for that collection. So it makes the process really easy. And now you can customize this book to suit your needs and publish it however you want to publish it. Okay, so that concludes the book module. Let's head back to the library and click on all photographs before we head on to the slideshow module.